Good morning, everyone. This is Raj Kumar Shivhare, PGT Mathematics at MLZS Jhansi. Students, today we have to start a new topic, that is area of bounded region. So, in this, how will you find the area under the curve? Okay, some curves are given in the question, and you have to plot the curve in the graph and then find the area of the curve bounded by two lines. Now, first question is given y equal to x plus 2 and x equal to 3 and x equal to 0. These three lines and x axis, and this is the fourth one. So we have to find the area bounded by these all, that is x, y equal to x plus 2, x equal to 0, x equal to 3 and x axis. Okay? So first of all we have to plot this line. Okay, so draw the table. To plot the line we have to draw a table. Okay, so put x equal to 0, you will get y2. Put x equal to 1, you will get y as 3. So 2 points are sufficient to plot a line. Now plot this line in the graph, y-axis, x-axis, and 0, 2. Here it is 0, 2, and 1, 3. So here will be 1, 3. Now this is the required line. Now second line is x equal to 0. So x equal to 0 is what? Y-axis. Now x equal to 3 is a line parallel to y-axis, and this is the x-axis. So this area, the shaded region, is we have to find. This area we have to find. So this area is going to find on x-axis. X-axis पे area निकलेगा. So insert a rectangular strip whose thickness is dx parallel to y-axis. Right? This strip is cover the area from 0 to 3. Okay, so required area will be given as 0 to 3 dx into y. The value of y is taken from the line. So the value of y will be x plus 2. Now integration of x is x square by 2, and 2 का integration 2x हो जाएगा. Limit from 0 to 3. Now put the respective limit and you will get the required area. So here is the area 21 by 2 square unit, that is 10.5. Now comes to the next question. Find the area bounded by y square equal to x, x equal to 1 and x equal to 3. So y square x is a parabola which is passes through origin and symmetrical about x-axis. So this is the curve parabola y square equal to x, and the line y x equal to 1. So this is the line x equal to 1 and x equal to 3. This is the line x equal to 3. Now we have to find this whole area. So this area is symmetrical about x-axis. Okay, above x-axis and below x-axis area is same. So what we have to do in this, find the area above the x-axis and multiply this area by 2, and after this we will get the whole area. So insert a rectangular strip dx parallel to y-axis, right, and this strip is cover the area under the curve from 1 to 3. Okay, so limit 1 to 3 y dx and put it twice in front of it. Okay, this includes the whole area. Now the value of y from equation is y equal to root x. Now integration of root x is this much, x to the power 3 by 2, and put the limit 1 to 3. We will get this value. So this is the required area. Now next one, curve is x square equal to y, y equal to 1 and y equal to 3 and y axis. So find the area of the region bounded by these four curve. Okay, so x square equal to y is a parabola facing upward. Okay, this is the x square equal to y. Now y equal to 1, y equal to 3 and y axis. So this area we have to find, the shaded area we have to find. So this area is found by limit 1 to 3 dy into x. In this case we do not have to multiply by 2, because this area we not need to find, केवल ये एरिया निकालना है. तो the value of x y will be अंडर रूट वाई, और इसका इंटीग्रेट कर देंगे हम लोग तो आंसर आ जाएगा। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू वेरी मच, हैव अ नाइस डे।